Hi, my name is Lorrie Albinson. I lead strategy and marketing for BioFlorida. BioFlorida is a trade association that advocates for life sciences here throughout the state of Florida. So the biotech and medtech industry is quite expansive throughout the state. We lead in manufacturing for the pharma biotech industry. We also lead the medtech, health tech devices, as well as universities, healthcare systems, research institutes, and the like throughout the state of Florida. Florida is a very interesting ecosystem. We are certainly in the growth mode right now. The last 10 years has attracted many folks that have moved here for various personal and professional reasons. And the ecosystem continues to expand in life sciences, whereas some other states might not be experiencing the expansive growth that we have. Our university system has been ranked #1 the last 10 years in the United States through U.S. News and World Report. We produce the most number of STEM students, PhD students in the nation, which helps the incubation, acceleration of these commercial organizations that will help the workforce initiatives with the life science ecosystem.